welcome back to Val's Kitchen. I hope everybody is doing okay. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna do some stuffed fish with callaloo. I'm gonna bake it, put it in the oven, steam, half cook the callaloo before and whatever. So I'm gonna do all of that and show you. But anyways guys, I have my 3 fishes here. I already clean them, wash them, clean them. Down with my lemon, I don't know where to clean out any little thing down in here so we don't want. I'm gonna put a couple slices, slit the fish them and stuff them up with the seasoning and all of that. And over here guys, I have my callaloo. So this color you don't must get it where you're living. You can use the callaloo in the tin and do your thing same way and turn up your flavor same way. So here are all my ingredients. I have 2 pegs of garlic, crushed. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, not plenty, cayenne pepper and paprika, teaspoon of paprika, scallion and thyme, onion, 2 pieces of sweet pepper. You don't want to turn up the color, I don't want it, I want it to be vibrant and look good. Alright guys, so I'm going to use 2 colors, but I'm using the yellow and the red. A peg of garlic, I'm going to use a steam of callaloo and have some okra. Butter, I have to have a butter of the steam of the callaloo and do the thing. But I'm going to show you still, I'm going to have a file paper to wrap up my fish. So come with me now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this. Boy, I can't even tell you now, just come, just come. Alright, so here I am now. Let's put 1 slit, slit it. The reason being why you slit it, guys, I want the seasoning just marinate through it. Go through it quick and fast. When you just put it on the skin alone without slicing the fish, slitting the fish. The season, I think it marinates so quick, so just put a 2 slit in it, Take out the meat because the meat don't look very. Yeah guys, so just we can put the garlic. Alright, me just put some garlic. The garlic have it moist, so they take a wet up all of these. So just kinda put the garlic, little garlic. Fish easy to marinate. You don't have to kill yourself. You understand? Cayenne pepper, I have the paprika, I have the salt and look up, the seasoning thing. The reason for the paprika just to get a nice little color. Fish easy. Fish are the easiest thing to cook, man. Easy. It don't take much to make it nice. Just look at salt and black pepper. But I just put a little garlic and, just to kind of turn it up a notch. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to cut up the callaloo now. Cut up my callaloo. Right, how that look? That look alright, don't it? Yes. Already wash it in some salt water. Right? But I just choose to go this route. I'm going to cut up callaloo Can get the callaloo cut up. I'm just leave to cut up my callaloo myself, wash it myself, and do the thing the right way. You know them look ways there? Yeah. Turn up the callaloo, yes guys. Tough fish with callaloo, guys. Turn it up, you see man. I want it hot and spicy. I cannot cook the callaloo fully, I cannot steam the callaloo fully. Just have a half saute, half cook it before because it's going in the oven. You understand? So I have to just half cook it. Yeah man, soon come back guys. There's some free and cutting today guys. Right? You know about that, right? Free and cutting. Yes, this is my cut of callaloo. Here are all my seasoning for my callaloo, guys. I'm thinking about using a tomato. I'm not sure though. Change my mind. If anything, you know, I just want the pop of colors in the dish. So I'm gonna steam it now. Half cook the callaloo so you can come. So I'm gonna use some butter to saute the veggies. The reason why I use the butter, you know, the butter have more flavor than the cooking oil. I'm putting in the onion, okra. I want to get all the flavors from the onion and the garlic and all the thyme, scallion. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this for last. I'm turning on this and just cover it. Let the okra get the flavor from the garlic and the onion and salt, right? Half cook this. Go down, steam down, get some more space. But what I'm gonna be doing, cover down this now, guys. After it's half steam now, I just take it and go and stuff my fish and place my fish them in the oven. Alright? I'm gonna turn off this now, guys. This is cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna turn off the stove. You see the vibrancy of the color, then that is what I'm looking for, right? Yeah, I just don't want something to just dead down, but I'm gonna turn it off. Let it cool down a little and then stuff the fish and place it in the oven. Right, yeah, that's it. So remember to taste already. Taste, let me taste. Yeah, man. So butter your file, guys, because you don't want the fish to stick. Right? You just put it like that. It's gonna stick up. Alright, then. Alright, that's enough. Just wrap it. When you wrap it, guys, you want the juice to stay in. You don't want it to run out. So you're gonna fold. So that is it, guys. Just put extra wrapping on it because you don't want the juice to run out. Any little mistake, all the juice gone. So double wrap your foil, right? Minutes. So this is it. Alright. It must take exact half an hour. Exact. So let's see what's going on here. Wow. Look at that. Look at them nice juicy, watch. Wow, thick and nice. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Can't wait for digging in, guys.
Oh, yeah, this.
Yes guys, so this is a better way than frying again. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and see you all in the next video. Bye.